This week we've got a 23 plate Land Rover Defender 90 hardtop edition, and it's coming in for a full transformation. So the customers just picked it up. It's come from Jaguar Land Rover in Chester, and we're going to transform the gloss paint to satin with our satin paint protection film, and the film that we'll be using is Xpel. We've gone and ordered a load of body kit parts because the customer wants this car to stand out and be different from the current Defenders on the road. So we've literally gone crazy, ordered a lot of parts for this, and we're going to be putting all of them on and transforming this car this week here. As of now, the car's very stock. There's no protection on it. There's nothing on it. We're going to give you a quick look around, and then we're going to get transforming and show you a bit of the process and show you the after results of what a transformation we can make on your Defender. So right now we're just on the design software, and what we've done, we've got all the parts, and anything like door handles or any areas where there's going to be gloss, we've deleted them from the software. So that's going to mean we can get that invisible seamless finish, and same thing with like the fenders and that kind of stuff. We want to wrap everything so when our customer's picking it up, it literally looks like a painted job. It looks invisible as it possibly can. Thursday update. So all the body parts have come. We've started to stick a few things on. The carbon actually looks pretty cool. The satin PPF on all the cars done now, so we're going to move on to the gloss black areas and the bonnet. So we're thinking about putting a black PPF on this. The black PPF, it looks painted, it's really good. It's going to protect the bonnet, same as the normal stuff, but I've seen a few Defenders, and the thing is, when I've seen these satin conversions, people are just converting the whole thing, but I think the black on the bonnet's really going to break up the rest of the car and just make it look really aggressive. Areas like the door and fuel cap, we try to remove as much as we can safely, just so we can get that best coverage. When I put these door handles back on, you're not going to see any film on the surface. We're wrapping all these edges the Xpel way and the J&J way. We're adding all this extra stuff because we want our jobs to look as premium as possible. A really common question that I'm getting asked is, why don't I just get my car wrapped in a satin finish instead of getting the PPF? There's a big difference. The PPF looks painted, whereas the wrap, it doesn't give you that same finish. You can tell the car's been wrapped, but when I'm looking at this, I'm getting that painted type of feel. And also a really nice feature is, if I shine a light on it or the sun comes out, you've still got a really nice sparkle coming through. And that's probably my favourite feature about this. And not to mention, it's protecting it. So, you know, you get any marks, any scratches, they're going to heal out, and it's always going to stay looking brand new and protect from the stone chips. So quick update, yesterday we got the Xpel Black done on the bonnet and it's looking really good. It breaks up the finish, and even in this area we didn't add the satin PPF, which broke it up. Gloss blacks are also protected with Ultimate Plus, so them sensitive areas are protected. The Bodykit, we started installing that, and all we've got left now is the mud guards, and we've ordered these in from Land Rover, but the finish on them is not very good, so we're just waiting on a bit of Xpel Black. We'll black these and they'll also be looking really good, and then the car will be done and we can't wait to show you the transformation. So after a few days, we finally completed the project on the Land Rover Defender, and the body kit's done, the PPF's all done. Now we're going to pull it outside for a final inspection, see what the car's looking like, and we'll show you a few of the things that we've done to this car to make such an epic transformation. So at the beginning, when this Defender came to us, it was completely stock. Looking at it behind me right now, it looks absolutely amazing. We've done a lot of work to this car. So we started off with paint protection film, and we're an Xpel installer, so that all the film is Xpel. Blacked out the bonnet with the Xpel Black, and it's gave a really nice finish. We broke up the satin finish with the gloss there. The rest of the car, it's had the satin PPF, so that's transformed the gloss finish into this satin finish, but you've still got the lovely sparkle when the sun comes out. All the sensitive areas like the gloss blacks, they've all also been protected, so when the car's been driven, you're not going to get chips and scratches in these sensitive areas either, but we still retained the gloss finish. And then after we did the PPF, we then went on and we installed a full body kit. So we sourced all the parts from a few different places, and we did the bumper. We've added these wide arch wheel arches, which are actually straight from Jaguar Land Rover, but the finish initially wasn't very good, as I've shown earlier on in the video, so the OEM finish wasn't up to standard. So what we've done is we've put the Xpel Black PPF over these, so that's protecting them, but we've also got a really nice finish on them, so they look super glossy. Side steps were added, as well as mud flaps. We've got that amazing carbon light bar up here, as well as a rear carbon spoiler. So bearing in mind this is actually a work van, but it looks so aggressive. Moving on to the rear of the car, we've smoked out all these areas. We've also put on carbon handles and a few new badging for the car to make the van feel more like a car. And same around here, a bit more carbon. And if we move on to the interior, we've also added a few bits and bobs there. Got a lovely finish, a lovely carbon finish on the steering wheel and a few of the surrounds, just to make it feel a bit more sportier and give it that nice feeling. So when the customer came to us, the project was to transform his van into something mean, something that stands out on the roads and looks super aggressive and one of a kind, and that's exactly what we've done with this Defender 90 hardtop. If you've got a Defender or any car and you want us to customize it, protect it and make it look amazing, contact us today via our website, our social media, and we'll get back to you with bespoke quotes to transform your car.